Grout Cleaner LF is a multitasker when it comes to cleaning. Its low caustic levels allows us to safely and effectively clean all types of tiles, stone and concrete. The combination of its powerful wetting, dynamic emulsification and versatility in application makes this product one of the most trusted and easy to use cleaners on the commercial and domestic market today. Grout Cleaner LF is an excellent maintenance cleaner for high traffic areas such as busy shopping malls, commercial buildings and schools. Designed to be used in conjunction with all hard floor machinery types, Grout Cleaner LF effectively removes greasy grime and a wide range of soils.
Tile and Grout Restore employs acidic replacement technology designed to conquer tough situations such as detergent residue, lime cell and soap scum. These situations are generally found in showers, washrooms and commercial sites, which Tile and Grout Restore was formulated to excel in. Its ability to effectively clean tiles and ceramic while reducing the amount of time and product can be clearly seen as we take you with us on site. Chlorosan was professionally formulated to tackle the toughest staining, mold and mildew situations. As a chlorinated detergent, it will not only de-stain and clean, but it will sterilize your surfaces, especially in commercial kitchens, butcheries, washrooms, showers and outdoors. Through its unique design, Chlorosan easily removes mold, mildew and natural staining at its roots. Its powerful wetting ability allows it to penetrate almost all tile and stone types. Chlorosan's powerful de-staining technology will enable you to approach the toughest staining situations with ease. Due to its high levels of chlorine and good emulsification, Chlorosan will easily remove and sanitize organic staining and soil buildup as a powerful wetting penetrates deep into the floor, killing and removing bacteria and mold at its roots. Chlorosan alkalinity enables it to clean all types of tile and stone, including fine stones such as sandstone, marble and bluestone. This ability makes it extremely versatile when cleaning affected areas. As you can see, this soil quickly and easily is removed from the stone and tiles, leaving it not only clean but safe and sanitized.
Tile and Grout Power makes heavy industrial and kitchen cleaning effortless. Its ability to radically emulsify heavy oils in compacted soils is dramatically increased by its powerful wetting and sophisticated chemistry. We have formulated this highly concentrated solution to reduce your time and labour spend when removing tough and stubborn soiling of hard surfaces. Industrial and kitchen cleaning can be made easy by using Tile and Grout Power, which will effortlessly eradicate compacted soils, baked on carbons and heavy oils. Tile and Grout Power's high alkalinity will thoroughly clean tiles, concrete and most natural stones, although it should not be used on floors with polish or wax. The Tile and Grout Power's dynamic wetting ability and high concentration makes this product extremely easy to use on sites. You will no longer need to carry a substantial quantity of product. Using the fast and effective Tile and Grout Power means fewer callbacks and getting more cleans completed each day.